What is going on, guys? I could not waste any time before I drop this for you guys. If you guys missed out on Decentraland and Sandbox, then you are in the right place and you need to hear this and see this. This thing is exploding right now. There is a land sale happening right now. You're not going to believe this. This thing is trading so itty bitty tiny, 5.5 million market cap. So if you're able to pick up these coins, you are able to get your hands on some cities or countries in which you can earn passive income in the future. It is nuts. And not only that, because they're NFTs, this means that you're going to be able to trade them and sell them in the future. So if you guys are able to get your hands on NFTs now, and this thing 10x's or 100x's, you guys are going to potentially be able to sell your land for a heck of a lot more money if you wanted to. I don't know why you would want to, especially if you're able to make an insane amount of passive income. Now check it out. Here is the map right here. These are all of the locations where you'd hypothetically be able to own. Like if you own the US, you'd now be the ruler of the US, which is absolutely amazing if you're able to own something that huge. But I wouldn't waste any time if you guys are interested in something like this. This is absolutely insane and it is blowing up right now. We don't have much time. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to buy mine right here and show you guys how. Binance Smart Chain BEP20 token. You guys know what that means, right? That means we need to come on over here to Pancake Swap, right? Pancake Swap would be where we go to buy this. We want to come over here and copy the address and paste that address in plain text right here. Boom, ULAND pops up. Import ULAND. Click I understand, import, and then you can come in here and say I'd like to get myself 0.420, guys. How about 0.420 of some ULAND? I'm also going to decrease my slippage and try to make this go through with a low slippage before I resort to a higher slippage. Okay, guys, so the 6% slippage did not work. We're going to try a 12% slippage on this bad boy. It looks like the 12% slippage is going through. This is going to be our total cost. That's our gas fee. This is how much it's actually going to cost altogether. The transaction has been submitted. It is going through. In the meantime, you can go ahead and add ULAND on MetaMask, add token right here. So transaction receipt. So this bad boy is going through as we speak. I can buy myself some land with these tokens before all of the good land is sold out. Now right here, it made it. All right, guys, I've got myself 20,000 ULAND tokens, and if I'm not mistaken, this cost me a little over $200. So that's about how much you guys would be charged right now at the current pumped price. This thing looks like it has a lot of room to grow. It is still pretty small, and there's a lot of big YouTubers covering this thing as we speak right now. So there is definitely a lot of room to grow with this bad boy.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the price is pulled back just slightly while I was in the process of recording this video. So, for the sake of getting a better piece of land, because I really like this project right here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy myself some more tokens. I'm going to get a lot more tokens now because the price is cheaper, quite a bit cheaper. It has pulled back from that pump that I purchased it at, and I refunded my account, so I'll be able to pick up 37,000 more.
Alrighty, folks, I actually turned down my slippage to 10% and it also worked. So I'm going to go ahead and process this 65099 right here. That's going to pop up as soon as I get my ULAND tokens. It'll let me know that I've got the tokens, and I will be able to come back over here and buy myself a land from the grid. Now, I recommend when you're shopping for a piece of land, don't look at this, guys. I tried to do this. This was so complex. It was hard because you're walking around clicking and everything is really expensive. So, but if you come over here, this worked out for me. I like this. You can search by all of this. A lot of these ones, the small ones, did already completely sell out.
So basically, guys, if we wanted to see ULAND become as successful as Decentraland currently is, Decentraland at its current price, not at the price Decentraland's going to be at later when it becomes successful. This is if it reaches Decentraland's potential right now.
We are going to be at 405x, a $4.34 price tag from the current 1 penny price tag. Now if we want to compare it to Sandbox, that is a 492x from this point on, $5 price tag on our ULAND. One more example. My neighbor Alice also sells land. How about this? This is a more realistic assumption, is that it could do something as big as something smaller like Alice. It would still be a 20x from the current price, and maybe even more if you guys are able to catch this on a pullback. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been trying to dive into the virtual land world for a while. This project looks really promising. It looks really legit, and it is very popular right now. So I'm definitely going to get on here and I'm going to get myself some land before it is too late. I do suggest that you guys do the same. Not financial advice. Definitely please do your own research, but there's only going to be a few big players in this land thing, this virtual land metaverse style life, and passive income is huge in this stuff. So if you guys missed out on something like Decentraland, those people that own those big cities are making tons of money forever now, and if they sold out, they would retire forever. Now I know a lot of you guys are looking for that next best thing that is like that. ULAND could be that thing, and yes, it could be a risky play too. I mean, like anything is, right? This is crypto, guys, but you guys got to get in here and take a look at some of this stuff. This is a juicy project, guys. Every land location is an NFT, meaning you can buy, sell, or trade it. You could be a president, a king, a queen, a mayor of your own country. They even said, why not the city you live in? So potentially you could even virtually purchase the city that you actually live in real life, and you're going to earn passive income, distribution rewards in ULAND token. Now, hierarchy level underneath you, what does this mean? This means if I own the United States, well, you own Texas. Now I'm gonna get tokens off of you. Now you own Texas, okay, well somebody else owns Houston, you're gonna get token rewards off of him. See what I'm saying? And then how about a neighborhood in Houston? That may even be a thing too. It really can dive deep. There's a lot of potential. This thing can expand to the moon. There is a lot that can happen. See, so if you land yourself some towns, some cities, some countries, some continents, you can have the passive income and reap those rewards off of all of the people that come in after us, just like they're doing on Sandbox and Decentraland. So not financial advice. Check it out, guys. The tokenomics are right here. The white paper is right here. And as I just found in here, 5%. That is the number that you're going to get on that passive income. So whatever the value of ULAND is, or your land is, however that's going to get broken down, your distribution rewards and passive income is 5%. Like, so that would be your rent money per se. But anyway, guys, that'll do it for me. I want to keep this short, and I want to get this video out there to you guys as soon as possible. That is why I did not spend very much time going into heavy detail on this project. It is time sensitive, and I think this thing has the potential to explode as it gets spread across the internet and more people find out about it. So I want to make sure that you guys were first to find out about it. If that helped, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next one.